This is the hardest part of making mooncakes, and nobody tells you this. Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to make smooth lotus seed paste for mooncakes. And yes, it takes patience. This is the most time-consuming part of making mooncakes, but it's worth it. Start by rinsing your dried lotus seeds. I'm using 1 full bag. Then soak them overnight with 1 teaspoon of baking soda. This helps soften the seeds and makes them cook faster. The next day, rinse the seeds again and cook them with about 5 cups of water and some pandan leaves for around 40 minutes until they're very tender. Once cooked, transfer everything into a blender or food processor and blend until smooth. You can mash by hand, but let's be honest, blending is easier. Now move the paste into a non-stick pan. Add half of the oil, sugar, vanilla, and pandan flavor. Cook over medium-low heat and stir constantly. Yes, constantly. This is your arm workout for the day. At this point, you and the lotus paste are in a long-term relationship. You cannot leave. As it cooks, the paste will thicken, become smooth and slightly glossy. You can also add maltose or light corn syrup here for a softer, more elastic texture. For an extra silky finish, pass the paste through a fine mesh sieve. It takes time, but it makes a big difference. Then return the paste to the pan, add the remaining oil, and continue cooking on low heat until it becomes thick and holds its shape. Be careful not to overcook it, or it will become too dry. Let it cool completely, then store in an airtight container. It keeps in the fridge for up to 2 weeks, or in the freezer for up to 3 months. Once cooled, the paste is easy to shape into balls. You can add a salted egg yolk in the center or keep it plain. And now your lotus paste is ready for mooncakes. Happy baking, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!